We are pleased to show you the 2018 2500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, ventilated front seats, engine block heater, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, overhead console. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.